Viora is proud to present Reaction, the only aesthetic device of its kind to offer the freedom of multiple radiofrequency energy and the added benefits of vacuum therapy. Reaction, the new dimension in aesthetic treatment. Reaction goes beyond single frequency limitations to redefine aesthetic treatments for unmatched results in skin tightening, cellulite, and circumferential reduction. Multi-frequency and vacuum therapy, the core advantage. Reaction's patented core technology advantage lies in its choice of 3 different frequency channels, a multi-channel option, and the addition of vacuum therapy. Each of the 3 core frequency channels precisely targets a specific skin depth. The multi-channel mode travels through all dermal layers at the same time and simultaneously covers the full treatment depth. The freedom to choose the channel mode according to the treated body site allows a more accurate treatment that optimizes clinical results, speeds treatment time, and ensures client safety and comfort. Skin tightening. The human body is a complex of varying skin depths and characteristics. A single frequency treatment cannot, by definition, treat them all effectively. Reaction's multi-frequency channels, however, offer an unmatched degree of control to precisely structure treatment parameters. Accurately targeting skin depth with the frequency defined for a specific area of the face or body ensures the exact energy levels needed for optimal results in all regions. Reaction instantly contracts tissue fibers and stimulates neocollagenesis for immediate smoothing and tightening results. Body contouring and circumferential reduction. Subcutaneous tissue in larger areas like the thighs, buttocks, and tummy require a more intense treatment. Cellulite in these areas is often caused through a chain reaction of weakening dermal collagen, enlarged fat cells, and edema. Through its multi-channel RF mode and vacuum therapy, Reaction safely distributes thermal energy to fight cellulite at its source. Superheating of subcutaneous tissue on multiple layers builds collagen to strengthen the dermis against adipocytes and stimulates lipolysis to shrink fat cell volume. The increase in collagen also results in a side benefit of skin tightening without the need to change applicators or settings. Vacuum therapy enables deeper penetration of RF energy, reduces edema, improves blood flow, and stimulates the metabolism. Designed for multiple business models, Reaction can be configured as a freestanding device for the clinic or modified into a lightweight portable unit in seconds. A single ergonomically designed handpiece accommodates all treatment applicators, which are quickly changed according to treatment demands, and allows easy control over vacuum and RF energy. Reaction. Patented core technology with multi-channel RF and vacuum therapy. Face and body treatments for skin tightening, body contouring, and circumferential reduction. Clinically proven, immediately visible results. Safe, effective, non-invasive treatments. Short treatment sessions. User-friendly, computerized management system. Portable, first ever desktop version. The Reaction that makes all the difference.